welcome to the 12th ASEAN+3 Global Online Student Camp for Biology, January 2023. In this course, we will be exploring the question, what would the world be like without fermentation? Yogurt, kimchi, and miso. What do these foods share in common? They are all products of fermentation. We'll be exploring and investigating the process of fermentation, or also known as anaerobic respiration. The learning objectives of this course are as follows: to understand the principles of ethanol and lactic acid fermentation, to experiment and investigate factors that affect the rate of fermentation, and lastly, to research about the history, applications, and advancements in fermentation around the world. Here is the class outline. In Lesson 1, we will be learning about the two biochemical pathways of fermentation. Then you'll be asked to design and conduct your own experiment to investigate the different factors that affect fermentation in Lesson 2. Finally, you will conduct research and present your findings on traditional fermented foods from your country on the last day. Have you ever wondered what the world would be like without oxygen? Most of the things we can think of in this world, such as humans, insects, trees, and birds, all have something in common. It is their need for oxygen in order to sustain life. Without molecular oxygen, we would all simply die. But the world around us is far grander and more complex than that. There are plenty of living things, billions of them, which actually do not care for oxygen. They actually depend on anoxic or oxygen-free environments to survive. Some examples of oxygen-free environments include the deep ocean, human guts, and the Dead Sea. An organism that doesn't require oxygen for growth is known as an anaerobe. This is in contrast to an aerobe, which is an organism that needs oxygen to grow. But all organisms do need energy to live, and therefore we all use different biochemical pathways involving different enzymes and metabolites to make energy, or ATP. ATP is a molecule with 3 phosphate groups, and when a phosphate group is broken, it releases energy for cells to use. We'll dive into the two different biochemical pathways used to produce ATP when there is not enough oxygen available. Following these biochemical processes, we'll uncover the answers to the mysteries behind some of the world-famous fermented delicacies. What are some traditional fermented foods from your country? Let's study the science behind your own culture and history, find out about the future of food industries using biotechnologies, and share them with the fellow international scientists that you will meet online this January. Thank you. Hope to explore the world of fermentation together in January.